Hey, it's Sam. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering if affiliate marketing is worth it in 2022. Well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry, and it's growing as we speak. And because it's that much, it's basically you as a marketer just promoting other people's products and receiving commission. That's it. So is it worth it? Well, are you a great marketer? If you are, then yes, it's definitely worth it. If you're not, then there's always time to learn. No matter if you're a beginner or you failed in the past, affiliate marketing can easily be learned, especially if you have a guide that helps you along the way, right? If you do it alone, then maybe it's not worth it because you're just getting some information here and there and nothing is really that cohesive to you, right? You're not sure how to put those pieces together. So if you do affiliate marketing the right way, it's definitely worth your time, because if you learn this one strategy, you can use that strategy over and over again for different niches and different categories of business, especially in the three biggest categories that are always being sold: health, wealth, and relationships. Learning the strategy I use, you can replicate that to create a lot of different streams of income. And eventually, when you use the strategy to build income, that income is passive because you're just building it once, right? So if you build it once and you automate it, you can make money while you sleep. So you tell me if it's worth it or not, because I know for a fact that a lot of people work 9 to 5 and they spend a lot of time every single day doing the same thing over and over again, and they don't really like it that much. And they're trying to find ways to improve their quality of life by trying to build their own passive income business. And if that's you, then this is definitely perfect. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, building your own passive income, then be sure to click on the link in the description below. And the secret formula for this strategy is actually giving free knowledge, giving free value to people, like valuable knowledge that people can learn from. Because if they can learn from you and they know, like, and trust you, guess what? They're gonna buy from you. So that's the strategy. That's the key to the strategy if you want to make it big with affiliate marketing, right? Because the more you give, the more you earn. The more you give, the more they will give back to you. You'll have to build a relationship with everyone you work with. You'll have to build a relationship with people that watch you, the strangers, people on YouTube that watch your videos, people on blogs that read your articles, right? If you learn this one skill to sell, to sell you whatever you can, whatever you are able to, market whatever you want, then you can utilize that one skill for everything. You can utilize that one skill to sell your skill. You can utilize that one skill to sell what you're passionate about, right? You're not limited to what you want to do with that one skill. So with that mindset and learning that there's actually a strategy to give you all the possibilities, do you think it's worth it? So with that in your head and an open heart, then you can definitely make it with affiliate marketing, and it's definitely going to be worth it for you. Especially if you put in the time and effort, the BST, the blood, sweat, and tears to building it, then anything is possible. You'll be able to travel and work. You'll be able to work from home. You'll be able to spend more time with your family or your cat. Well, that's what I do with my cat, right? So be sure to click in that link in the description down below. So I hope that video was enjoyable and valuable. So if it was, then please leave a comment down below. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.